We'll show you the top 5 long-term stocks to buy right now in this video. Day traders and investors with limited time horizons should avoid the current market environment. The Nasdaq, which is heavily weighted in technology, is down 30% for the year as of October 5. The Dow has lost 17.35% since the start of 2022. The S&P 500 has fallen almost 21% year to date. Although the stock market is in disarray, it has begun to appear as an appealing entry moment for long-term investors. Jeremy Siegel is a well-known analyst of the economy and capital markets and a professor of finance at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School. Mr. Siegel recently made an appearance on CNBC's Squawk Box to share his thoughts on why he thinks long-term investors should consider making a purchase right now. The financial professor at one of the best business schools in the world has the following to say. If you're a long-term investor, I would absolutely buy now. I think these are absolutely great long-term values. Could it go down more? Of course, in the short run and in bear markets. Historical, it has gone down more. But when you're talking about 16 times earnings, and even if they are clipped by a recession, you shouldn't just base it on recession earnings, you should base it on longer-term earnings, which I think are very favorable looking beyond the dip. I think these are just absolutely excellent values. Short-term, anything can happen in the short term. We chose blue-chip companies with a history of profitability and sound balance sheets to determine the 11 best long-term stocks to buy right now. We chose equities from a range of industries, including technology, healthcare, and basic consumer goods. ColgatePalmolive Company. One of the best long-term investments right now is ColgatePalmolive Company, which has a lengthy history of dividend payments, a conservative business strategy, and significant pricing power as a result of a positive brand reputation in international markets. A quarterly cash dividend of $0.47 per share was announced by ColgatePalmolive Company on September 9. Shareholders with an October 21 record date for the dividend will get it on November 15. A forward dividend yield of 2.64% is being offered by the stock as of October 5. The Coca-Cola Company. The Coca-Cola Company is one of the greatest long-term stocks to purchase right now because it has the potential to increase shareholder value over the long term. Dividends have been paid to shareholders by the corporation for almost 60 years. 60 hedge funds held interests in the Coca-Cola Company at the end of the second quarter of 2022, totaling $28.3 billion. During the previous quarter, 64 hedge funds owned shares in the firm valued $29 billion. The Coca-Cola Company is seen positively by Wall Street, who anticipates growth for the company. In July, Deutsche Bank analyst Steve Powers maintained a hold rating on the stock while increasing his price objective for the Coca-Cola Company from $64 to $65. On September 6, HSBC analyst Carlos Laboy restated his buy rating on the Coca-Cola Company and increased his price objective from $72 to $76. Costco Wholesale Corporation. Costco Wholesale Corporation's fourth quarter fiscal 2022 earnings were announced on September 22. The business earned revenue of $72 billion, up 15% year over year, and declared earnings per share of $4.20, outpacing Wall Street projections by $90 million. The stock has up 6.8% over the last 12 months as of October 5th. The fact that Costco Wholesale Corporation has a history of profitability and financial growth makes it one of the greatest long-term stocks to buy right now. Costco Wholesale Corporation outperformed the S&P 500's return of 12% over the past 10 years, returning 20% to investors. Walmart Inc. One of the finest long-term stocks to buy right now is Walmart Incorporated, one of the top retailers in the world by revenue. Walmart Incorporated is a cash-rich and successful company that can achieve its long-term financial objectives and increase shareholder value. Walmart Incorporated's debt-to-equity ratio as of July 31 was 0.58. With free cash flows of $5.4 billion and a trailing 12-month operating margin of 4%, the company is profitable. Merck & Co. Incorporated. For long-term investors, Merck & Co. Incorporated is offering an alluring entry point and is now trading at a discount. The stock's trailing 12-month PE ratio is 13.47 as of October 5, and its forward dividend yield is 3.15%. Merck & Co. Incorporated is one of the greatest cheap long-term stocks to buy right now since it has consistently increased dividends over the previous 10 years. If you want to learn about business, passive income, and stocks, don't forget to hit subscribe button and share to your friend if you got benefit from our videos. Thanks for watching.